this video, we're going to be spending the next couple of days getting our life back together. We will be cleaning our space, having a little spa night at home, and then we'll be ending the night doing what we love, and then the next day we will be pampering ourselves by getting our nails and lashes done, and then we will be a productive princess and get some ish done. Then we'll end with our future self and goal setting. Let's do this, bestie. I want to start off by cleaning my room, cleaning my environment, and just declutter, get my laundry taken care of. I know you guys can see the mess in the back. That's just a corner of my room. This is actually so embarrassing. I have not slacked this hard in my room in months. I hate it. And it's true how they say that your room reflects you, because this is how my mind's been. It's been crazy. So let's take care of our space, boo. We're finally going to be doing the self-care portion part of this. I'm so excited. We are first going to be starting with the bath. And to turn this bath into an ultimate luxury experience, girl, go grab some Epsom salt, something with lavender, grab a candle, grab your book, get what excites you and relaxes you. While the bath fills up, I'm going to be putting in a hair mask and this Mielle hair oil at the ends of my hair because they are dry. Then I took a shower cap. If you don't have one, you can use a plastic bag and put this on your head so the stuff can really melt into your hair. I thought it looked so funny. It was my first time wearing one. Then of course we need a face mask. It is not a spa night without one. So I used this Freeman one. I know they're not good for your skin, but I didn't have anything else. And now we're ready for the bath. That bath was so relaxing and so needed. It felt so nice to read my book in the bath and just watch the sunrise and just listen to some meditation music, relax for a little bit, and just have a little bit of me time. Right now I'm gonna have the bath water go down. I'm gonna take a quick everything shower, the SB shower. The sound of the morning. All right, now that we're done with the shower, it is time to take care of ourselves a little more on a deeper level than just a shower. If you got hairy brows like me, shave them, clean them up, take care of your nails and all of that jazz. Then of course we gotta do skincare. I would go more in depth about my routine, but I already have a video uploaded which I will talk about in a few, so stay tuned. If you girlies want an updated shower routine, an after shower routine, just let me know in the comments. The skincare is all done though, bestie. Look at how it looks. Our skin is looking glowy and good. Although I have acne, my acne is not active. It's very controlled. And my recent skincare routine that I have been doing for the past couple of months has honestly been improving my skin so much. And I did post about it on TikTok and on Snap. On both social medias, you guys both want to see a skincare routine. So if you guys are interested also as the YouTube family, please let me know by giving this video some love. Oh my goodness, you guys, I just got my nail appointment booked for my nail tech. She is the absolute best. Oh my god, she just messaged me and was like, hey girl, my Friday at 8 a.m. canceled, do you want to move to that? But I'm so excited I got moved because I just talked to the lash tech that just did my recent lashes. They didn't even last a whole week. I don't know why, but like this one is like kind of like full and this one's just like empty. I messaged her and was like, hey girl, like is it okay if like I can get a fill but like get them like half off because I'm not even gonna be making it 2 weeks? And she was like, yeah girl, that's fine with me. So I'm paying a really good decent price for a filling and I'm really excited for tomorrow. We get to get all cute. I feel so good.
realize how much I miss the feeling of walking into a nice clean room and how stress-free it really is and how beautiful it's just so pretty. Like, I don't want to mess it up. Right now, I'm about to spend some time to myself, do what I love most, which is playing some Sims. This is my absolute favorite thing to do. It has been a favorite of mine since I was like 12, 11 years old. If you guys love Sims as much as I do and love storylines and challenges and just love a really good time with Sims, I got you, girl. I have a whole Sims channel called Esperanza Plays, so if you're interested in those, then the link is in the description if you want to support your girl. I also want to film different types of games like Roblox and like scary games and just have different varieties of games. This is my favorite way to end my days. It is officially good morning right now. It is about to hit 7 in the morning. My nail appointment is at 8 o'clock. It'll be a little tad early, but I brought my iPad and everything with me so I can work on some videos. The iPad is dying though, so if I can find somewhere near my nail tech's place to go sit down and work on some videos, like a McDonald's or Starbucks or something, possibly a McDonald's, because my outfit is literally my stay at home, stay comfy vibe type of clothes, so I feel really gross. But I'm really excited to get my nails done. I forgot to take my nail polish off. I'm so stoked to get my lashes done because look at how freaking ugly they are, y'all. Like, look at how spiky. Now 11 o'clock and my lashes and my nails are done. I feel so good. I feel so confident. I totally forgot how good it feels to have just a beautiful set of nails on and lashes. I feel so good. I'm generally so obsessed with my nails. Like, these are them, y'all. They're so freaking cute. I got like little 3D butterflies on it. So right now I just pulled up at a local small coffee shop. It's a little like hole in the wall. It's not really known like Starbucks or anything like that. I really love their matchas here, and I have not been a fan of matchas, but they definitely put me on. Honestly, I'm getting so tired, but I really just wanted to come here at least for an hour because by the time I get up for the day, the coffee shop is already closed, and I really just want to get some studying done and just get caught up on some videos. I need to get more on that, girl. We are going to be going inside and being a productive princess today.
Going to a coffee shop or somewhere you like to study, maybe a park, is such a great way to romanticize studying. If you feel you can't get anything done at home, you get easily distracted, or you have distractions at home, plug in your headphones, put your phone on Do Not Disturb, and take yourself on a solo date. After the coffee shop, I got home, got cozy, made some popcorn, and then I really started journaling and reflecting on the past month.
Now that we're done reflecting on the last month and some things that we look forward to in the next month, now it is time to start reflecting on yourself. Not on the month, yourself. And I'm talking about your dream self, and you're probably like, oh my god, I hear about this all the time. It's actually so important, and it's beneficial for everybody. It's not just like it must be like a YouTuber thing. If you do this, it can literally help you. Like, doing this changed my life, I promise you. And I feel like it just opened up like a guidebook for me on where to go in life because I felt lost. So since I already have my values, my important habits, and my dream self section already filled out for my 2024 reset, this part honestly just goes really quick, and I just give my brain a little refresh on what I wrote. I also check if there's anything I need to change. So for example, what are my future self's values? So the first one is life is meant to be enjoyed and live in the moment. Personal growth, self-awareness, and self-love is really important.
Health is wealth, and love, kindness, and softness, even in harsh moments. And so some of my habits, I wrote that she gets ready every day. She prioritizes pouring into herself 1 hour in the morning, 1 hour before bed, exercise 4 to 5 times a week, 90% eat healthy, 10% fun food. So looking at the 2024 vision underneath the goals, it kind of helps me figure out what goals I want to take from overall year and kind of see which ones would fit in what month. So for the first goal I wrote is I want to have 830 subscribers on this channel. I have been really trying to be more consistent. If you guys look at my channel, my biggest problem is I was never consistent, but now I'm trying to, and I'm trying to find the perfect balance between my life and work and my full-time job to be able to do everything and show up for every single thing. The next one is I want to hit 100 subscribers on Esperanza Plays. That is my Sims gaming channel. In the future, I do want to have more gaming videos because I used to be a big gamer when I was little. Sims has my heart for real. Anything simulation wise, like those are my types of games, scary games. So for both channels, I at least want to post one long video a week, at least. And then once I start getting in the habit of that, then I can start producing more content. But a minimum is one long video per week. And then shorts are always super easy to make because I always make TikTok videos which go to YouTube, so they kind of go hand in hand with posting on social media. I really want to start my makeup brand. If you guys do not know, I don't just film YouTube videos. I'm not just like a lifestyle type of girly. I'm not just a fashion girly. I do makeup. I do really creative makeup. I teach people how to do makeup, and that is what I originally wanted to do YouTube for. And I kind of just want to go back on that and bring those types of videos back on YouTube. And I also want to start posting more on Instagram so I can hopefully gain collabs. I already do have a makeup page on Instagram. It's just I hardly ever post on it. It was called Dolled Up by Esperanza. I keep changing the name. As you see, I started my makeup page, but I kind of just gave up. Like, I didn't post that much because I used to be like super hard on myself and constantly compare. Like, I didn't think I was that good in like my pictures. The next goal is I want to secure my spot for this lash class. I'm so excited, you guys. Oh my god, that can be like a whole conversation, so I'm not gonna go too much in detail about that because it's a little secret. I won't say none, but I really do want to secure my spot for the lash class. Okay. Yay. And last but not least, my last goal is to just start going out more and just start being me. I just got my lashes and my nails done, so that's one way to start feeling like myself, and it does help my future self habits and values. After goal setting, it would be perfect to set a weekly to-do list that aligns with the goals that we just talked about. And that is it for this video. I really hope that this inspires you guys to really get your life back together. If you've been falling off the A game just like me, you are not alone. It is normal. We are human. We're not robots. At least you're getting yourself back together and you're waking up being you. I love you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Love ya.